How to make Skip the Dishes account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to learn how we can make Skip the Dishes account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to create a Skip the Dishes account, which is a account that you use on skipthedishes.com or the app, you can simply go to the website, then tap the profile icon from the top right. You can still log in if you have an account, just log in if you want, but you can also tap on the sign up option if you want to sign up for a new account. Now there are many ways to sign up with Google, Facebook or Apple, or you can create an independent email address with an independent password. So you can enter your full name, your email address, your password, and then tap the create account option to create a password. But the easier way I would recommend you do instead is you can just try to go ahead and then sign up with your Google account or anything else that you frequently use. Then it will be easy for you to connect those accounts. So this way you should be able to make Skip the Dishes account. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.